Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert your debit or credit card information for Instagram shopping payment. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your Instagram settings. And then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. You want to go underneath where it says your account and select Account Center. Underneath Account Settings, select MetaPay. And then at this point, you go ahead and insert or change payment methods by selecting this item up here. And that's pretty much all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.